Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer, and today I'm going to explore one of another Areej Le Dore natural perfumes that is made from all natural material. And let's see which one we are going to explore. So this is the sample box I have received. You can see over here I have already reviewed two samples. So this is how they are. Really nice presentation. So next I am going to spray is Gul Hina. Now where is Gul Hina? Gul Hina, okay, over here. I have written the names, so just to remember that this is Gul Hina. Gul actually means flower in our language. Hina, I think Hina is Mehndi. Okay, so the brownish kind of clay kind of thing that you use to get your hands colored or sometimes apply on the hair. So let's see if how it actually smells like. So I'm going to spray Gul Hina or Gul Hina on this strip. This is really nicely sweet floral start. Really nice. I think most of my family, mostly women, they love this one. So if you are a woman, you like floral perfumes, this is a very nice one. Sweet, there is maybe jasmine in the background. Let's see what are the notes. I am unable to get that. Bergamot and magnolia. I think magnolia is the floral note over here. Henna flowers. So henna is actually a flower. Rose and jasmine. Jasmine, as I said, there is distilled in a base of white musk. Base note sandalwood. Really nice notes over here. Really balanced, very nice floral. Although I personally hate florals, but this is a nice one. So right now it is a bit overpowering. It is hitting my head, but I think after maybe 13, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, it is going to it would take a bit down, a step down, and it would be a bit normal. I would love it on my wife or any woman around me because this is really nice. I think it's more feminine. Very floral, very nice. Henna flowers are really nice over here. Sandalwood is in the background, has some creamy aspect to it, not spicy at all. So I actually remember that this is the smell you get from Eastern weddings or Indian weddings or Pakistani weddings, when there are flowers everywhere and everywhere there are henna flowers and jasmine flowers. It is a kind of, I would say that if a bridal would wear this is the perfect scent for a bridal. So if you are a woman and you want to feel like a bride, this is a really nice feminine scent. Really love it. Gul Hina from Areej Le Dore. At first when I sprayed it like 10 days ago, I didn't like it much, but now I'm enjoying it a lot because I am seeing some more things like sandalwood in it in the background. Really nicely done. So if you like floral perfumes, you are a woman, I think this is going to fit the best for any woman, any bride. This is the scent you should wear on your wedding, I would say. Gul Hina or Gul Hina from Areej Le Dore, very nicely done, Areej. That is my review about Areej Le Dore Gul Hina. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I would love to see your expressions and if you have tried this scent, and if you have tried any of the Areej Le Dore perfumes, I will meet you soon in another video. Till then, make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. And we will explore more of these Areej Le Dore in the next videos. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.